Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Daily English Talk. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here.
Hi there, I'm Tom, and I'm excited to practice English with you today.
This is the place where you can listen, repeat, and learn English in a natural way. We speak slowly, clearly, and with simple words.
Remember, don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep practicing. Now, let's get started.
Today, we will learn how to describe your day in English. It's a very useful topic because we talk about it every day in our lives.
Yes, exactly. Describing your day is practical. It's something you can do every day. It's easy to talk about and it helps you think in English.
You don't need to be perfect. Just use short and simple sentences. It's okay if it's not perfect. The most important thing is to speak.
That's right. The more you practice, the better you will get. Now, let's begin.
Let me tell you about my morning. I wake up early every day. Now you repeat. First, I make my bed. It's a good habit. Now you repeat. I make my bed. Now you repeat. After that, I brush my teeth. Now you repeat. I brush my teeth. Then I have breakfast. Now you repeat. I like to eat cereal and drink coffee. Now you repeat. I like to eat cereal and drink coffee. Now you repeat. I don't usually talk much in the morning because I'm tired. Now you repeat. I don't usually talk much in the morning. Now you repeat. After breakfast, I get dressed and go to work. Now you repeat. My mornings are usually quiet. Now you repeat. I like to start my day calmly. Now you repeat. My mornings are usually quiet. Now you repeat.
Now, let me tell you about my afternoon. In the afternoon, I usually have lunch around 1 p.m. Now, you repeat. In the afternoon, I usually have lunch around 1 p.m.
Now you repeat.
After lunch, I like to take a short walk outside.
Now you repeat.
I like to take a short walk outside.
Now you repeat.
Sometimes I feel tired after lunch. I like to rest for a few minutes.
Now you repeat.
Sometimes I feel tired after lunch.
Now you repeat.
In the afternoon, I usually work or study.
Now you repeat.
Sometimes I talk to my friends or family during the afternoon.
Now you repeat.
Sometimes I talk to my friends or family.
Now you repeat.
After work or study, I like to relax. I might watch TV or listen to music.
Now you repeat.
I like to relax after work.
Now you repeat.
Now, let's talk about my evening. In the evening, I like to cook dinner. Now you repeat. I like to cook dinner. After dinner, I relax for a while. I like to read or watch a movie. Now you repeat. I like to read or watch a movie. Now you repeat. I usually spend time with my family in the evening. We talk and enjoy each other's company. Now you repeat. I spend time with my family. Now you repeat. At night, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth and change into my pajamas. Now you repeat. I brush my teeth and change into my pajamas. Now you repeat. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Now you repeat. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. I'll ask you some questions, and you can answer with 3 to 4 simple sentences. Ready? Here we go.
What time did you wake up today? What did you eat for breakfast? What did you do this afternoon? How do you relax in the evening? What time do you go to bed?
Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak, and the more you practice, the better you will get.
Great job today. You made real progress. You listened, repeated, and spoke in English.
Yes, you did awesome. Every time you practice, you improve. You're using English one sentence at a time. Keep practicing and you will get even better.
Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about speaking and improving.
That's right. Return to this lesson again and again. The more you listen and speak, the easier it will become.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this lesson, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep practicing and keep learning. You're doing great.